There are moments in life when the soul feels tired, not from doing too much, but from carrying too much. The world spins fast. Expectations pile high. Our hearts grow weary in silence. And in these quiet battles, we search for peace, for clarity, for healing. Often the answer is waiting just beyond the noise, outside our walls, beneath the open sky, in the embrace of nature. Imagine standing at the edge of a forest at dawn. The air is cool and clean. You hear birds singing in harmony, their melodies rising like prayers in the morning light. A soft breeze moves through the trees, rustling the leaves like whispers from heaven. Nearby, a gentle stream flows over smooth stones, its rhythm steady, soothing, like a lullaby for the soul. This is not just beauty. This is God's grace in motion. In Psalm 19:1, we read, "The heavens declare the glory of God. The skies proclaim the work of his hands. Every sunrise, every drop of rain, every bird song, each is a reminder that we are not alone. That even in our most fragile moments, we are held by a creator who designed the world to comfort and renew us." Picture a waterfall cascading down a cliffside, its roar powerful yet peaceful. You sit nearby, eyes closed, letting the sound wash over you. That water is like God's love, constant, cleansing, unstoppable. In that moment, your worries soften, your thoughts slow, your spirit breathes again. Isaiah 40:31 tells us, "But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles." And isn't that what we crave? To rise above the weight we carry, to feel light again, whole again. Let the earth speak to you. Let the morning dew remind you that each day is a fresh beginning. Let the whispering pines teach you to be still. Let the stars overhead remind you that even in darkness, there is light. Always. Take time to walk barefoot in the grass. Sit by a river and listen. Watch the way nature never hurries, yet everything gets done. Healing doesn't come in rushing. It comes in resting, in noticing, in trusting. Matthew 6:26 says, "Look at the birds of the air. They do not sow or reap or store away in barns, and yet your heavenly Father feeds them." Are you not much more valuable than they? You are seen. You are loved. And just like the wildflowers in the field or the songbirds in the sky, you were never meant to worry your way through life. So breathe deeply. Step outside. Let nature and God do what they were always meant to do: heal you, hold you, and gently lead you home.